I'm in a playground, so I'll just climb in and show you the goats. Wait, hold on. I might fall, you know. And that's my sister. She's vlogging too. Don't you even dare shake this thing. But it's fine. I'm climbing up. Shit, ano yun? Shit is a bad word, you know that. Oy, Lexi, oh. Oops. I'm at the slide right now. So dangerous. And then, I'll zoom in one goat. Bakit? Bakit? Uy, kunin mo nga. Sige, I'll just go down. Shit, ayoko dito bumaba. That's called bats. And then,
Here's the bat. No.
Move! How do you stop this? So now we're moving out. You move over there. Dun ka sa baba! Huwag mong isa-swing. There's... Wait. I'm scared. There's a goat over there. I'm sure there's a lot. So there's one there. They're planning to go out, but they cannot escape because they removed the big rock over there. Let's just zoom it out. Where?
Here.
What goat? That's the slide that I'm there a while ago. And then, it's so scary. Tatagalog na nga lang ako. Nusublid pa ako dito. Then, wait. So, this is our Bahay Kubo. Bahay Kubo is called Nipa Hut in Tagalog. In English. It's called a Nipa Hut. Kita mo, oh. Dami na kumay ko. Oh! Oh! Sapa. Let's tour you around. Come. Don't join. Why did I say come if I wouldn't like you to come with me?
You're so bad.
So, here's one set. Playground is a seesaw. But we don't use it. Because that will broke if you ride. Your English is wrong. So that's our air conditioner in our room. Then there's a storage room. And then there's like the empty space of the house. These are like the plants. My grandfather is farming. And then if we're doing a playhouse, tea party like that, just us. We sit there. A jungle party. Next week, let's do a jungle party.